Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, we're going to take a look at the 2022 Kia Soul exterior colors and interior colors. Before we do, however, I just want to remind you that if you find this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And real quick, before we get started, I also want to remind you to take a look at my 2022 Subaru Forester colors video. I've put that link in the description below. Okay, so we are going to take a look at the 2022 Kia Soul exterior colors and the 2022 Kia Soul interior colors. Okay, so here we are back at the exterior colors, and before we look at the exterior colors, we can actually do a 360-degree walk around of the 2022 Kia Soul. It looks fantastic. That front end looks amazing. I love the lights. I've done several build and price reviews of the Kia Soul over the years. I'll put those links in the description below. I think this vehicle's come a long way. I like the wheels. The back end looks fantastic. Look at the dual center exhaust pipes or tips. The finishers, they look great. Love the super long tail lights that wrap around the back window. I think that looks super cool. The vehicle looks really, really nice. So I think this is a good angle right here for checking out the exterior colors. Obviously, this exterior color here is Inferno Red. This color here is Steel Gray. And it's worth noting that this year, Steel Gray, this replaces what was previously Sparkling Silver. Now, this color might not, all these colors might not be available on every trim level. That's how Kia works. So don't think that you can get a base model and get it with every color that you see here. You can't. We can just go through every color that is available for the Kia Soul for 2022. This color here is the Snow White Pearl, Cherry Black, Mars Orange, Gravity Gray, Undercover Green, Cherry Black and Mars Orange, Neptune Blue, and Cherry Black and Neptune Blue. So what's your favorite color? I actually think this Snow White Pearl looks pretty good because I like this little red stripe that they put down at the bottom of the doors, and I think that looks really cool. It's very, very nice. Oh, and it's down here in the front end too as well. Okay, with that out of the way, let's move on now to the interior colors. Okay, so here we are looking at the interior, and just like the exterior, we can do a 360-degree walk around, but we can actually make this screen a little bit bigger to do so. So let's make the screen a little bit bigger, and then we'll have a good look around the interior, and then we'll go through all the interior color seat options. Okay, that looks a little bit better now. We can see, the first thing I see is the little head-up display thing that they put out here. It's not like a true head-up display like, say, Mercedes or BMW would do it, where it projects it onto the screen, but it puts it up onto this little, I don't know, plastic screen here. And that's still cool. At least it's still there. I mean, at that price point, I think it's still pretty cool. So we can have a good look around. I see a push-button start. The cloth seats look nice with the red stitching. The door panels look kind of cool. I'm not really a fan of whatever this is going on by the door handles over here. But yeah, I don't think they need to match that to the exterior color of the car. Hopefully they don't always do that, but we'll find out. Definitely. So yeah, looks good. Interior. Looks like you got soft touch materials like for your arms. There's the center armrest. You got a dual cup holder. Looks like heated seats here. Heated steering wheel button I see right there. Big infotainment screens. We don't know what trim level this one is that they're showing us, how highly spec'd it is, but it looks pretty nice. You got a big multi-function steering wheel, lots of buttons. I see analog gauges for your tachometer and your speedometer, but in the center here I see some kind of, digital cluster right there. Probably also has a digital speedometer. So with all that information out of the way, let's have a look at the interior colors. So this color here that we've been looking at this whole time, this is the black SynTex and cloth seating materials. That's what they call it. Nothing attractive, but that's what they call it. Here's the black Tricot cloth. Here's the gray two-tone Tricot cloth. And what I like is they are changing, this panels by the door pulls do change with the cloth materials, with the seat materials. Here's the black woven cloth, and then the gray two-tone woven cloth. I was hoping for some synthetic leather at the very least, hopefully, but they don't seem to offer that. I think I like this black Tricot cloth the best. And apparently we can zoom out on that to get an even better look. So yeah, I think for the interior, this is about as good as it gets. and then you combine that with this snow white pearl exterior. Okay, on that note, we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. We went over the exterior colors and the interior colors for the 2022 Kia Soul. If you found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.